Are you searching for good products? Let me show you. Welcome to DIY Hardware. We are the professional manufacturer specialized in all kinds of DIY hardware for hanging and exhibiting artwork. We're dedicated to supply various kind of hooks and hanging solutions to local and overseas buyers. We also do ODM products for specific need. Standard picture hangers. Standard design, old but gold. Ideal for dry wall and plaster surfaces. Available in weight rating of 5 to 100 pounds. Frame back hangers. Designed to mount the back of frames to secure mirrors or artwork to walls. Variety of sizes and designed to fit your needs. Decorative push pin hangers. Easy to install without hammer. Available in various styles and surface finishes to fit your decorative taste. For more product, please visit our stores. Contact us for more information.